Google Classroom is a very important organizational tool for teachers. At North Penn High School where I work, we use it in a number of ways. First of all, I have Google Classrooms for all the classes I teach, where I can post materials, I can post quizzes for the students, assignments, anything like that. But students know it's where they should go first. If they need something for class, if they're absent, we know what they missed, stuff like that. I'm also enrolled in a bunch of classes as well, like as the science department. So all the science teachers are part of a Google Classroom. And, we can post stuff like resources to help each other out, ask questions. It's just the way that we communicate. There's also a North Penn High School staff information Google Classroom, and that's just the way that the administrators can communicate with us teachers as well. So, in order to create a classroom, it's very simple. You just want to hit the plus sign. All right. Now that's going to give you two choices: join a class or create a class. All right. So first, to create a class, all right, you just give a class name. Sorry, my computer is very slow apparently. Alright, so to get students to enroll in the science class that I've created, they would need this class code right here. Alright, I usually project it or post it on the board. Have the students go to Google Classroom. They'll hit the plus sign that we hit just a minute ago, but they'll choose join a class and then they'll enter in that code. Alright, once you're created a class, right? I usually post most of my work in this classwork section. Now let me go back to one of the classes that I'm currently using here. So here's a marine science class, and if I click on classwork, yeah, it's all nice and organized, broken down the topic, where students can go to find notes for the current chapter. There is a quiz that they can take using Google Forms, and a Coral Web Activity assignment. Now, if I wanted to add to this, right, I will just click Create, right, and I can add an assignment. I can just post like more materials for them to look over. Right, if I had a Google Classroom last year, okay, that I've archived, I can reuse a post, and I do that a lot. It's just a huge time saver. Right, so there's a lot to do. Right, and what's also nice is that students can communicate to each other and to the teacher on Google Classroom. So here's a student that thought it would be funny to post a YouTube video. When I clicked on that, it was a 6-hour video of Squidward from SpongeBob playing the jazz clarinet. Another student commented why, which I agree with. Students are weird though. But that is Google Classroom. Like I said, many of the teachers already use it at the high school, but I find it very, very helpful. Thanks. Bye.